You are now unboxing with the boys.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with the Boys. I'm Adam.
I'm Brandon.
And today we've got, what do we have today, Brandon?
Today we have the Helios AS-P-603W Smart Power Sensor.
That's right. So if you'll go ahead and get started opening up on it, I'll go ahead and talk a little bit about it. So this is our new single rack mounted unit that you can either mount inside of a rack or you can place it onto a countertop. This is the antenna for the Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi enabled, so you can have that on your Wi-Fi connect system. These are the feet for the unit, so if you don't want to have it inside of a rack, if you just want to have it placed on a tabletop, you can do that as well. We have our 3-year limited warranty on that, and then of course we also have the user guide, which of course walks you through how to get everything set up for the unit. Pull that out there. Nice and protected for everything. All right, we'll move this out of the way here. Oh, one more thing in here. We've got the wings for rack mounting the unit that come uninstalled, so you can add that to it when you want to. And this is the piece here itself. So on the faceplate, what we have here is we have voltage readouts on the front. We've got your LEDs that give you feedback for grounded protected or if the switched outlets are on or off. There is a USB-C 3 amp connector on the front, as well as a USB-A 2.4 amp. The switch here controls 4 of the outlets on the back, and then the outlet here on the front is an always-on outlet. This is a 15 amp power supply, so you can do that as well. On the back, go ahead and give us a flip on that once. There you go. You've got your connection for the Wi-Fi antenna here, with a little status light for getting the system to give you feedback for the Wi-Fi connection. There's also a Wi-Fi reset button, and the Wi-Fi reset button is also used during the setup process with the Tuya Smart app. So that you'll need that downloaded to your phone. You can have that on Android or iOS. These 4 outlets here are individually controlled, so through the Tuya app, you can actually turn on and off each of those 4 outlets individually. And then these 4 outlets here are controlled by the switch that's on the front. We also have our coaxial surge protection on that, and a 12-volt DC switch here on the front that controls these 4 outlets here. So this is the AS-P-603W. It's available now, so definitely call into your reps or go online to metrohometheater.com to find out more about it. I'm Adam.
I'm Brandon.
And we'll see you next time.